Hey YouTube, this is Tony and welcome to my Hulk jump video. I got this from the Philippines. It's actually a fiberglass casting and it really is amazing that it actually isn't in multiple parts, it's all a single cast. A lot bigger than I was expecting, so if I just zoom out here you can actually see that it's on a big base, and for size comparison there's a little Vallejo dropper. So it's pretty big. I kind of made a mistake when I saw the measurements. I thought that it was for the entire statue, but the measurements were actually just showing the dimensions of the Hulk. So this is kind of like a 5th scale Hulk, so pretty big. And just to show you here how it fits in, just give me a second and I'll pull it off. Okay, so I've pulled him off the base. You can see I'm holding him with one hand, so pretty light, so it's obviously a hollow cast. There's like a little metal dowel that they fitted into the foot, and that plugs into the base over there. So the base is pretty cool, lots of debris, a few sleepers and cast iron bits and bobs and rocks. Must also be looking like a street perhaps. And the pose is obviously extremely dynamic. That's what I was really after. I didn't want just something standing on his own. I was also looking for something that was not mass produced. So he's pretty enormous, looking really good. I might do some customization, so you can see there are a lot of striations there in the arm. I think that might have been for hair. Also giving him a bit of a leathery effect, so I might fill all of those in. The face is pretty cool. The eyes could do a bit of work. And also those cheeks, quite a lot of definition in there. I might fatten them up a bit. But I'm going to spray this white. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm not going to use the airbrush. I actually bought some primer, just a white primer from the local hardware store. That should be a lot quicker than using an airbrush, so I'll be back after that.